Hi guys, welcome to another video on the New Tech channel. In this new video, I'm going to be showing you how to create mockups like this for your design on Canva. You can create mockups like this for your design on Canva, and here is how to go about doing that. The nifty feature that allows you to convert your designs to mockup easily this is actually embedded on the print feature on Canva. So that's to say that if you click on print on Canva, you can get this mockup, have them screenshotted and downloaded to your device. However, if you look at all the options around there, you see that the print option is not visible and not accessible anywhere. And that's because you are in a region where Canva does not deliver printed designs to. Now, if you come to the Canva design and print in one place page, this one, you'd see that you can actually order your prints, or you can actually order your designs to be printed and freely delivered to you. But the fact remains that Canva does not deliver designs to all regions. For example, I am in Nigeria and Canva does not deliver designs to Nigeria. So if I go ahead and click on shop or print products, you'd see the response I get is Canva print isn't available in this region. So what you want to do to have access to that feature, because once prints cannot come to your region, you cannot have access to this feature. So what you can do is just go ahead and fire up your Proton VPN. If you don't already have Proton installed on your Windows system, you can go ahead and have that installed for free. Alright, so once Proton VPN is up and running, you'd want to go ahead and change the server, and this time we'd hope to switch to the United States. You can see that we are now on a free server for United States. So once that is up, you'd want to go back to Canva now and then come to your design, come right here to your design and have it refreshed. So as soon as you refresh, you can see now that we have print with Canva now available, and you can see all this, and you can see all these designs popping up which we don't have before we switch to the US region using a Proton VPN. So just go ahead and click on this to enlarge that, and you can see your designs coming out. So you can go ahead and have this screenshotted and you can use them in your project. So that's how to go about accessing this mockup feature on Canva. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.